Welcome to DJM TV.
Simon Ekpa don't respond to Asari Dokubo also wey e threaten Igbo people.
My correct people, we greet una. We welcome una to DJM TV where ogbonge tori and update dey shele. So if una never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una hurry now go subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so at any time we be like say we drop any update like this, una go dey notified sharply. And make una no forget to follow us on our Facebook page. Anyway, my people, make we quickly run enter the tori and update wey we carry come for una.
Simon Ekpa wey be the leader of Biafra group wey based outside Naija don respond to the threatening wey Asari Dokubo threaten Igbo people. My people no be small thing o. If una recall for the previous report wey we bring forward now, we report about Asari Dokubo wey take carry AK bullet dey threaten Igbo people say im dey gidigba, im ready for them any which way im dey. So Simon Ekpa now don respond after seeing all those threatening wey Asari Dokubo do, video wey e do, don respond like this. So he tell Asari Dokubo say dem ready give am woto. E sure that they come in doorstep come even give am, no be small. My people, una need to hear all wetin he talk for this one wey e do. So na voice message be this. So I go play una this voice message now make una hear wetin Simon Ekpa talk o, because they ready. As report even dey come say Asari Dokubo sef DSS dey after am, if sef e dey on the run like this. So unto when e take carry AK this thing take dey threaten Igbo people for live video wey e do, they say DSS even dey after am, but we go bring una report about that one in our next news. This time around now na the update about wetin Simon Ekpa talk for the response wey e give Asari Dokubo like this for the video wey Asari Dokubo do wey take dey threaten Igbo people. Make I play una this audio, una lis ten to am from the beginning to the end, una hear wetin Simon Ekpa talk for inside this one. Make una lis ten.
Why are we not seeing them again? Asewana. They are falling in hundreds. Where are you in Imo State? Where are you in Anambra? Where are you in Abia? Where are you in Enugu? Where are you in Ebonyi? They fall in their hundreds. And you are nowhere to be found again in Igbo land. We want you to come. Let me tell you, we are coming to your own domain. We are coming. It is no longer business as usual. We are coming. We have defeated you in the hinterland. We are coming to the coastal land now. The coastal region is where we are coming. We have defeated you in the hinterland of Biafra. It is time we are bringing the war to your doorstep. Bring those your terrorists that you are using to terrorize Nigeria, terrorize people in Kaduna, terrorize people. Bring them back, because you can't start the heat that is coming to you. Believe me, you can't start the heat. It is now evidently clear that you have been hired for a jihad, for a holy war, and you can't succeed in Biafra land. We are going to stop you, and we'll stop you very soon. I want everybody to listen to the idiot. From somebody who was just calling Mazin Namdekanu a criminal. He said, you are they look for somebody who go finish you now. Means that you people are looking for somebody that is going to kill all of you. So tell me, who gave Asari the power to kill? He is killing for religious purposes. He is killing for jihad. He is killing on behalf of the Islamic State. He is killing on behalf of Boko Haram. He is now a willing tool and the commander of the terrorists of the Islamic State of Nigeria in the eastern region. And we are going to engage him. We have been engaging his group. We have neutralized them in Biafra hinterland. Now we are going to make sure that Asari and his terrorist group is neutralized completely in Biafra land. So Asari, the challenge is up. The challenge is up. You know, I have never wanted to address this pig until now. And because the evidences, the exposition has made sense to even somebody who don't have sense, cannot understand it. So it is time that I remember him. But let me tell you, the killings in Ahamufu, which Asari Dokubo perpetrated with his jihadist movement and Islamic movement, will be revenged. The killing in Anambra that Asari perpetrated masquerade in the disguise of security agent will be revenged. The killing in Imo State, which is still going on today, Asari is bragging of how Nigeria government contracted him, will be revenged. It is now between us and him. It is now clear that he is indeed the enemy. And I want everybody to understand what has been the position of Wazirike and all other Igbo-speaking part of Biafra who embrace this criminal and this jihadist. Wazirike and Mossov only came to distance themselves from when he said Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should not be released. Is that enough? Is Wazirike part and parcel of the killings of Biafra for religious purposes? Is Mossov part and parcel of the jihadist movement being led by this criminal and the terrorist, Asari Dokubo, and he is pretending that he don't know and he is working with him? This is a question that I have directed to Wazirike. Wazirike must come publicly to tell us his involvement in Asari's jihadist and terrorist movement. You know, one of the saddest thing in this whole thing is that some of these people that he is using for these killings, those that are not Fulanis, don't even know what they are doing. They thought they are fighting a just cause. Some of them don't know what they are doing. We have many of them who have run away from Asari. Some of them don't know that Asari is actually using them to fight for Islamic State. And some of them are Christians. They don't know what is going on. But let me inform him that the game is up. And let those who have demonstrated to have worked with Asari Dokubo to come and tell us their level of involvement in this security in the southeast, as Asari has demonstrated to be the one orchestrating this particular killing all over Nigeria. And like I said, he was trained by the Islamists to carry out what you see happening today, but Biafra is going to be his end. The hinterland of Biafra will end him, and we are ready. Then after that, Biafra will come. I want everyone to understand what we are doing. In a matter of days or weeks, the inauguration of the de facto government in Biafra land will start. And for those who do not understand how the de facto government will be structured, like we have been saying it in the past, I want to bring something to the public today. The example of the state structure of Biafra. When I made this exposition, how many of you, when I made this exposition, you did not understand what I did you? No. That's why it is very important. Follow Biafra so that you are going to be delivered. Now, today, what is happening? Here is what is happening. Asari Dokubo bombshell. My men employed by federal government in charge of Abuja Kaduna security, not military. Now, you need to understand what are those in charge of Abuja Kaduna security doing. They are kidnapping, bombing train, bombing passengers, bombing travelers, kidnapping travelers, engaging military in a battle and all that. That is what people in Kaduna and Abuja in charge of security, they are doing. They are Asari Dokubo terrorist group. Asari is a militant and a terrorist. Asari is a Muslim and is allergic. Asari is somebody who have been involved in terrorism, and the Nigeria government, embracing Islamic State, decided to start using him to destabilize Biafra. We are going to end him. With the Biafra liberation, we tell him that you can't do this in this modern age?
Hey my people, no be small thing o. Wetin dey come like this o? Hey wahala. Anyway my people, make una drop una comment o how una see this whole matter, and make una no forget to like and share. Make una share this video. Una do well. See you all in the next video. DJ